So why are rear-end motor vehicle collisions more serious when they're caused by a truck? Common sense, the trucks are heavy beasts barreling down the road, and when they slam into you from behind, they're generating a hell of a lot more force upon impact than a small economy sedan. So that's the short answer. Over the years at Trial Pro, we have represented people who've been rear-ended by pretty much every type of truck you can think of, from any different model of pickup truck to box trucks to full-blown 18-wheelers and semi-trailers. One of the unique aspects of a case that involves a rear-end collision by a truck is that depending on the circumstances of the crash, we want to make sure that we get any experts out to the scene as soon as possible. Oftentimes with truck cases, we hire trucking experts, accident reconstruction experts, and other types of experts to go ahead and give us some specialized expert opinions before evidence is lost or destroyed. And a lot of times when you're dealing with a trucking claim, including a rear-end trucking claim, we want to make sure that we send what's called the spoliation of evidence letter to the trucking company as soon as possible so that they don't repair that truck before our experts have an opportunity to go over there and inspect it. You want to inspect the mechanics of the truck, the braking of the truck, the weight limit on the truck, the actual load weight on the truck. There's a whole lot of things that go into it. Whether or not the driver of the truck had gotten the required amount of sleep, how long had they been on the road, what time did they start their shift that morning. It is much more involved than a simple rear-end collision. It needs to be treated differently because often rear-end collisions involving trucks result in much more serious injuries and claims. If you have questions about your case, chat with us through our website at trialpro.com or call us anytime 24/7 at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO.